breakfast. And I'm sitting here at my computer. Because if these leg pieces would stay in place, that'd be lovely. But I don't get that lucky. There we go. I should have... There you are. Should have found a better spot for his bowl, but I didn't. Put my hair back up. Anyways, I did some laundry in the bathtub because I had some stuff that I needed to wash. Anyhoozle, the animal control people should be coming sometime today to come capture the feral cat that attacked my mom and Bandit and also jumped out at my sibling. So, hopefully that cat gets the help it needs and finds a home. But hopefully it doesn't attack anybody else. Because it also tried to attack me the other day. And I wasn't even close to it. That's the bad thing. Is that it jumped my mom and Bandit. Well, my mom was setting up Bandit's kitty condo, or as we call it. And it snuck up behind them and started attacking Bandit. Luckily, my mom got him up in time off the ground. Had she not, it could have been a very, very different outcome. She said had she not picked him up when she did, he would have more than likely got mauled by this feral cat. But thankfully, when she saw it and it started going at him, she picked him up. So yeah. Thank the stars for that one that he didn't get torn to smithereens. Anyways, Charlie's eating his breakfast like a cute kitty. That's what he does. Charlie. Charlie has such smelly breath. Anyways, I'm gonna grab my notebook because I'm doing some school stuff. Anyhoozle. Well, I'm smart. I left my notebook right where I was gonna pick it up from. This one is my math notebook. And I need it tomorrow, actually. But I'm using this pre-assessment again to test my knowledge. To see if what I learned stuck with me this time, because, you know, that'll be nice. Alright. Let's see. First off, adjust my font. Okay, so the constant. Where do I... well, the constant. Yeah, the constant would be 11 is not the constant. I'm missing 51. Let's see. I love how I grab the pencil that literally does not write. I love that for me. I do that kind of nonsense all the time. Alright, let's see. So 320 out of 770 miles. And she goes 50 mph. So, let's see. Hello. I want to say... No, I want to say it's this one. Because if we did minus 220, that wouldn't be right. Let's see. Oh, no, I know how to do these ones. These ones are fun. Some of these I know how to do. It's just the actual, like, I guess you could say algebra portion. I'm very bad at it. Alright. Oh, clear my calculator. Alright, so we do 29 times 23. Where's the percent sign? Normally I know where it's at. Right here. Wait, no, that's not right. No, that's not it. Shoot. That's what I'm going to do, 6.67. What was the original before the tip? Well, good thing I reread that question. Charlie, oh, really? Okay, see now. Thank you. Charlie, you hear that? They said you were cute. Okay, see now, I read this question wrong. This is what happens in math. So I thought the question was, the bill was $29.90, and what would the tip be? No, I got it wrong. Well, I didn't get it wrong, but I reread the question. Fortunately, that's how math works for me. All right, let's see. So if we do this. Wait, what happened? What the hell? That is not what I meant to do. No. Times 23% would be, that's too little. So let's do this one times 23%. I'll give you your $29.90. So it was $130. Let's see. Next question, please. Oh, I hate these questions. These drive me nuts. Well, at least try. So, our whole wall is 33 feet. Let's say it's 5 feet, because that makes sense. Oh, Charlie is 6 years old. He will be 7 in September. Okay, so feet equal. So if we did 82 yards, we would do let's see. How many inches are in 82 yards? Good Lord. Why the hell would I know that? Sure. Hello, King Pibble 47. Hello. Thank you for joining the live stream. It is very much appreciated. These questions are my first ones. Y equals negative 3x plus 8. So now I need to find a graph that lines up with this. So we're going to do negative 3 C2 shoot negative 6 plus 8 and we're going negative 6 plus 8 y equals 2. So when y is 2, x equals 2. So now let me find my little graph that's going to match here. So if we go 2, so no. Does not look like A is going to work. No, that's on the opposite side. Now this is close, but let's do one more. Wait, is the bottom one it? No. Alright, one more. Okay. So anyways, I'm just doing like practice for my math class here, and I'm just trying to use the formulas in action to make sure I get this right. Okay. Negative 12 plus 8. Alright, clear, so 12 plus 8 is negative 4, so y equals negative 4. So when x is 4, y equals negative 4. Alright. So that might actually be, so no. 4, negative 4. Okay. So that coordinate checks out. Let's do 6. Okay. Negative 18. Plus 8. And we'll do negative. So when x is 6, y is 10. So it's obviously going to be this one because it crosses right at 4, 4. And that was my little thing there. Alright. Okay, so let's do y equals 4 times 6 is 2. Okay, that one's obviously not going to show up. Let's just do so let's look for 2 and 10. See if this shows up on the graph. So we need to find 2 and 10. Oh, too far. So if we look, so that's gonna be the case. I'm gonna choose that one. Alright. Slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 2. Slope of 1, y-intercept 2. So, is it negative 2? Okay. So, it needs to cross negative 2 on the y. A is not it. That might be it, but I don't think so. No, C is not it. And D is not it, so it's B. If I'm not mistaken, so. Alright. Slope of 1 and y-intercept of 10. So let's see. Needs to cross 10. Nope. D is not it. C is not it. C might be it. C is it because it crosses at 10. Slope of negative 5, y-intercept of negative 4. Okay, so let's go all the way to the bottom. Alright, y-intercept. So there's negative 4. D might be it. Let's see. Okay, so D and C might be it. B and A, maybe? No. So our best bet is probably -5. It's gonna be this one. Negative 2 and y-intercept of 7. Okay, negative 2 and we need a y-intercept of 7. That one is gonna be our best bet. Yeah. Alright. F5, so if we do, well, let's see, so it would actually be that one. It's going to be 15%. That one is going to be 8% or 18%. Let's see. That one is going to be 16%. You remember decimal, that is going to be 1.19 or 19%. Let's see. So we do 65 times 8. That's going to be $5.20 in tax. So let's see. Do 86 times 8%, 6.88 off, so if we do 86, so 12. Let's see. Example of bad debt. I want to save the last one because that seems bad. Good debt. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. So, oh, I love these questions. The 50, 30, 20 budget questions are awesome. And that's just because I really like doing these ones. Okay. Times 50. Shoot. That is. I forgot to put my equal sign here. Okay. Okay, so then we do close, but not in. Close. So then we do so we do shit. Why did I label it backwards? Okay. So, my right is over here. So if they're walking this, or if they're walking east, and they turn 90 degrees, they're going to be walking due south. Oh, good Lord. I swear, those practice tests will definitely get to you if you're not paying attention or you don't understand what you're doing. Because I will tell you, this is my third. So I have a retake plan. So like the first time you fail, you have a retake plan. The second time you fail, you have a retake plan. And the third time you fail, you have one. So this is my second, or my third attempt retake plan. Good Lord, I think. Maybe? So I failed the test again, so I'm getting ready to do it for a third time, and good Lord, I am not pleased. But I've got nobody to be mad at. I just did not understand math. Which, it happens. Not everybody is born to be a mathematician. Now, if you want to be a teacher, yeah, you're going to have to know some math. I learned that the hard way. Yeah. Student behavior is yellow. Shoot, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to change color here, please. Thank you. And what is green again? Content details. Actually, this would be the content details. Hi, Charlie. This is Charlie Barley. He's decided to come join me. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Oh, you gonna lay down? Okay, buddy. So, Charlie is gonna join us. He's right here. I think all you can see is his back. But he's right here. Hey, buddy. Oh, well, you can see his tail, too. Troubles. What are you doing? Huh? Oh, car. I swear, he cracks me up. Being cute. Like that. This needs to be green. Charlie. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, and you're starting to purr. Go ahead and send this back over. File. Save a copy. This PC. Save. Yes, I do want to save it. Charlie, what are you doing, buddy? What, baby? Really? What am I supposed to do with you? What am I gonna do with you, Baka Gigawa? Look, Charlie, do you go bump on? Charlie, you want a treat? And he's purring. Do you not want a treat? I mean, I was handing you a treat, buddy. There you go, good boy. Oh, shit. Yeah, you guys just, you guys just actually caught a funny moment because I don't ever slip my finger on the keyboard or the clicker, and I slipped, my finger slipped, and I almost deleted the wrong damn thing. I was gonna die. I mean, that's just me being dramatic, but yeah. No, I did delete the right thing. The thing is at the bottom. See? Your girl's gone silly. Pretty much. It's a... Hell, I don't know what day it is, y'all. I do not know what day it is. I think it's Thursday. Wednesday? Wednesday. What the f... am I doing? Y'all are just catching the, unfiltered me right now. Because I just want to be done. Okay, there it is. Oops. Alignment, tables, and questions. Practice. Send. Okay. So now I gotta do developing engagement strategies. Oh my god. So let me look at my notes here, because I have tons of notes I wrote down. Alright. I hope my instructors don't laugh. Y'all are gonna find this hilarious as hell. But one of my instructors could not pronounce my last name properly. Now it does have Irish roots and French roots, but it's very simple. It's Emery, and yeah, I found it funny because they said Amory, and I'm like, what? It's like, do you have the right person? And they were like, the last name is Emory? No. I was like, no, it's Emery. They were like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I was like, it's fine. The amount of times people, like, and when I say it's not even spelled weird, it's really simple. I don't know. Oh, the kitty's over here. I can show you guys the kitty if you want to see him. Let's see. Let's see. There's Kitty. That's Charlie. You guys can watch him while I sit here. Charlie, really? Charlie does not want to be on camera, apparently. Car. No, Charlie, no. Charlie, no. Charlie, no. Aww. And now he's just going to put his tail there. Charlie, watch your tail. Did I spell that word right? Okay, there we go. I spelled it right. I don't know why I'm struggling with, like, trying to do this. I would wear my glasses, but they're broken. Well, they're not broken, but you can tell they're messed up. I'm gonna have to put these on because I'm having a hard time. See, with my glasses, I more often remember to blink because when I see the arm of my glasses messed up. But when I wear these, I actually remember to freaking blink and my eyes don't get dry. Plus, these actually enhance lettering. They're not supposed to be all the time, but sometimes I do struggle trying to see. Because these are for distance, so I normally wear these when I am driving or going out and doing errands with my family. But I need these to see sometimes my computer. Aww, cute. What's your cat's name? Aww. Let's see. Okay, so I'm supposed to do 6. Alright, that's cool. How old is your kitty cat, if I may ask? Yeah, it's kind of like homework, yeah. It's pretty much the college version of homework. So, like, for example, if you fail a test, you have to go through all these steps before you're allowed to retake it. So, yes, in simple, I am doing homework. Hi, Charby. There you go, Bagagwa. Mm-hmm. There's this one out there. Oh, Charlie. Oh, what the heck? Oh, my computer's doing that stupid thing again. Dang it. Why? One day can you not behave, computer? Shoot. Strategy 4. Hold on. I don't need that. Let me open my notes. Oh, shoot, I was wrong tab. I meant to open my notes. No, I am actually not a nurse. Thank you for the question. I'm actually studying to be a teacher. The exact type of teacher is a special education and general education elementary teacher. But no, I actually decided between teaching and nursing, and I decided on teaching.